Hi there, it's Renee Rushton. So 3 tips to get more engagement on your Facebook wall. The first tip is stop being a lazy liker. Stop just scrolling by and liking everybody's pictures. Facebook is watching you. You're known as the lazy liker. You're not really interacting with anybody. You're just liking their stuff. So the second tip is stop scrolling. Actually stop and read what people are talking about. Interact with people. Be friendly. And the third tip is don't like anybody's comments for a month. See how that goes and only comment on anybody's posts. So 3 tips. No liking, lazy liking. No. That's not what Facebook wants to see. Stop just scrolling by. Stop and say hello. Third tip, actually write down more than 1 word, 2 word, 3 word answers. Actually put something meaningful in the comment section. Facebook is watching you. So if you like these tips, leave me a comment. Let me know. Let me know if you think I suck. Let me know. Bye.